Alright guys, show you a cool feature on the trailer. I got one of these, I put in one of these outdoor plugs basically. And so I got power coming from the garage over to here, and I'll show you why. This is one of the handiest things I've done. And you come over here to the four-wheelers, I'll shut my light out. Flip the lights on in the trailer, bam. Look at that. Awesome lights. Got these guys ready to go riding up in Canada. And the reason I did that is so by morning both these batteries will be fully charged. So just run my little Black & Decker battery tenders up here, the extension cord. Got this guy going here also. He's on another one. So by morning these will be fully charged. And that plug just comes in here from outside. It's like a Norco or something like that, and it's got the 2-prong. So just plug the power from this little guy, which I got. This is a, let's see. Hold on here. I'm gonna go back to 1X. Okay. So this guy is a Tron. Got this off Amazon, but it's got a couple USB-C port, a couple of USBs, and some other plugins. So then that just plugs into that Norco power adapter, which goes outside to the garage power. So then I'm able to plug in stuff, work in the trailer if I need to, and away we go. So yeah, pretty handy. Got everything charging up out here. Basically ready to go for a rip. By morning I will definitely be ready. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some video for you guys, try and upload some content. But yeah, I got a couple extension cords up there if I need them. Everything's tied down, so now I just gotta close this guy up, get it all buttoned up, and off we go. Alright, figured you'd like to see that. But yeah, so that way you can charge your ATVs when they're out here in the wintertime. Stuff like that, you know, just run power from the garage over to your little outlet on the trailer, and away you go. Pretty darn slick. And I love that logo. So do the cops. If you haven't seen, I uploaded a short, but yeah, that draws a lot of attention now, especially with the truck. Black Beauty as we call it, but yeah, this bugger is so sweet truck. But bad thing in Minnesota, State Patrol loves it too, so whatever. Guy can't have anything nice. You try to. The bad thing is you can have a nice vehicle like this, take care of it. Wheels are basically all the way covered. Put on the big fender flares so my tires aren't sticking out way far like everybody else. And the cops still give you crap about it. I think they got nothing better to do sometimes. It's like, go after the drug people and stuff like that, would you? Leave the rest of us that are just trying to have fun and live a life. Leave us alone. It'd definitely be nice. But alright, anyways, enough about that. We will see you guys in the next one.